Parrots are scientifically considered to be the only bird species that can truly dance by adapting to the rhythm. How do they dance? Parrots nod their heads, move their feet, and even spread their wings and make figures to the beat when music plays. These abilities are linked to their advanced auditory and motor coordination systems. The most famous dancing parrot, Snowball. Snowball, a cockatoo parrot, has surprised the scientific world by performing 14 different dance figures according to different music genres. Snowball's dancing ability was part of an important study that proved that parrots understand music and react consciously to it. Why can they dance? Parrots have brain structures that can perceive rhythm like humans. Their aptitude for learning and their ability to imitate sound allow them to adapt to the rhythm. Their fondness for sociability and entertainment leads them to react naturally to music. The fact that parrots are the only bird species that can truly dance shows how intelligent and playful they are.